Securiton.
For your safety.
Special fire alarm systems. Besides cutting-edge fire alarm technology for standard applications, Securiton also boasts a great deal of expertise in special fire alarm systems.
Our special fire alarm systems are widely used with success in Switzerland and around the world.
These systems are used in special environments and under demanding conditions or difficult spatial circumstances.
In circumstances where the use of conventional fire detectors may be difficult for practical,
technical,
or aesthetic reasons,
applications from the Securiton range of special systems are the ideal solution.
Securiton.
For your safety.